Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by confirming the basics. Unlock the taskbar and inspect display scaling so resizing behaves predictably. Right-click the taskbar, deselect Lock the taskbar, and open Settings System Display to verify scale and layout. If scaling is above 100%, your taskbar appears larger. Once done, move the taskbar to an edge if needed to test behavior. This prevents surprises and ensures the adjustments you make next will produce consistent, visible results rather than temporary changes. Now you'll change physical size and icon density. With the taskbar unlocked, hover at its top edge until the resize cursor appears, then drag to shrink height. This directly alters visible pixel space. Next, open Settings Personalization taskbar and toggle Use Small Taskbar buttons. That reduces icon footprint and spacing. You can also enable or disable combining buttons to control density. Make sure to test with open windows so you see practical spacing, and lock the taskbar when satisfied. Finish by locking the taskbar to prevent accidental changes and confirm the final look across multiple apps. If visual changes don't stick, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and back in. This reclaims the UI state. If the taskbar still looks oversized, reset display scaling to 100% and update the graphics driver. Drivers can force DPI behavior. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, create a new user account to see whether a corrupted profile is causing persistent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.